So I'm going to show you guys what I've managed to accomplish using Pybind11. I've managed to incorporate the Python interpreter inside the GZDoom source code. I've compiled it normally. I have the shell script here, just like it shows on the official docs for GZDoom, but I've modified a few things. I've added the Pybind11 and I've added a scripting folder inside the source. Here you had decorate, zscript, the stuff that already existed, but I've added here PyScript, and I've created this simple void function procedure that initiates that runs the Python interpreter. I print a hello world here, and then I import modules. I import modules. That is imported when you run inside the build. Like when you run GZDoom inside the build, it will get this, it will read this modules.py, and inside the build I've added a scripting folder so that I can organize better the Python scripts. And from actor I define this global monster speed, which is a test. It is just a personal test, and you'll see that when I run GZDoom, it is already compiled. The speed of all the enemies is multiplied by 1. But when I change to 16, for example, I'm not compiling again. I'm running GZDoom, and you'll see that the speed has been updated without recompiling the source code. So it is possible to script GZDoom with Python. Organizing this correctly, I think it is possible to achieve a great level of scripting. This global monster speed, I've modified this. Let me find it. It is on placesim, the enemy. It is the pmove function, and you can see that I multiply the speed by PySpeed, which is defined in the scripting /PyScript/PyActor.h. So the idea here now is to extensively add a lot of files inside PyScript and import it throughout the project and modify various things. I'll experiment with that, and I'll update you guys. Let's see how far this can go.